Uh, Previously, we talked about the importance of exercise. Now, this is part 2. We'll talk about the importance of proper rest or sleep. See, whenever we used to say rest and sleep, both are different things. Rest, rest means you just relax, and sleep means a deep sound sleep for a longer period of time. Rest is just for a temporary period or the short period. But the benefit of rest and sleep go parallel. Both are important. See, as an example, before I explain the definitions and everything, if you work for a longer time, then you need some minutes of rest. Or you can say when a housewife works throughout the day, when she wake up around 5 o'clock and work till 2 o'clock, then she need a nap of 30 to 60 minutes. So that is called the rest. And after a long day work, after everything finishing, after food and everything, we go to bed. That is called a sleep. Minimum 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep is required to each and every human being. Those who are adults, there is different criteria for older one and children's need more sleep because their growth period is going on. So maybe a child around 10 years 12 years need 14 15 or 12 to 14 hours of sleep. Same thing if you talk about the older people, they require lesser sleep, like 5 6 hours is okay for them. The reason, as the age increase, the work pressure goes down, they come under the something like relaxed era, so their working pattern decreases, the stress decreases. Because of that, they need lesser time to sleep. So this varies from age or person to person, and the environment where the person works and the pattern of works. But overall, we need proper rest and sleep to stay healthy, to stay fit. Okay. So first of all, what we understood from the word rest, R-E-S-T. Rest means what? R for restore, which restores your energy, which restores your calorie. During the period of rest, we restore each and everything inside the body. E for energetic. When you rest, so after wake up or after a specific time of rest, you must be fresh and energetic. S means stable. After the proper rest, your physical and mental level must be stable. Your thought process cool down, anxiety cool down, hyperness cool down. So stability, proper rest improves the stability in human beings. T for tough. As you rest properly, as you sleep well, so what happened? Your metabolism improved, your digestion improved, and overall your immunity improves, which makes you tough. Tough in the sense strong, decision maker, or debating point of view, workplace, mental stress, whatever the way you can say, it makes you tough. So proper rest and sleep gives you this type of benefits in your routine. So let's first of all understood with the definition the difference between rest and sleep. Rest. Generally, if you observe, overall the scientific research shows 1/3 of our life we spend in sleep or rest. So think how important it is. That's why the nature gives us a quality time to rest, to improve, to make our body growth and stay fit. Rest is a condition in which the body is in a decreased state of activity without physical, emotional stress and freedom from the anxiety. This is called the rest. Now the same thing if you see the sleep. Little difference between that. Sleep is a state of rest accompanied by alert level of consciousness and relatively inactivity and perception to environment are decreased. That means, see, if you notice, like when we sleep at night, switch off the all lights, and specifically we sleep during the darkness. So what it suggests, the complete environment, perception to environment. So this is the major difference between rest and sleep. Now let's see what benefits that we consume during the sleep. During the sleep, human growth hormones releases, which help body to repair or whatever the damage, growth, build the muscles. See, whole day we are active. Like our eyes are also open. We speak, do some type of activity. The movement is going on. Thought process is continuously do. So when we awake, all these activities are continuous. But when we sleep, when we go to bed, only the autonomous system inside the body works. Rest, even our eyes are closed. We are just like a dead body. When you are in a deep sound state, you noticed, if someone calls you, if someone touches you, if someone tries to wake up you, you are not aware about that thing. That is the state of deep conscious sound sleep that we all require. For what? Because while during the 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep at night, our body does its necessary work of repair. If some deep tissue damage is there, it automatically repairs. Along with that, whatever the residues are there, it tries to throw out from the body with the excretory system in the morning. That's why we need to go loo first. So the detoxification. During the sleep hours, our body and their deep tissues work that fast, which makes our day-to-day growth and affects on the cell's life also. So whatever the muscles build up capacity, the excretory system, circulatory system, all systems work at their top and best during the 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep. Learning and memory formation strengthen after enough sound sleep. See, as we know, sound sleep affects mentally also. So when you have the sound sleep, because of that, your neurons get cool and calm. The rhythm of the neurons, the you can say the whole CNS system, central nervous system, the neurotransmitters work very fast, very clear. They don't have any disturbance during the sleeping. So it helps to improve our memory gland, make improvement in our concentration and thought process. Sleep promotes synapses which help to maintain memory gland. Definitely, if we are sound, calm, automatically our body makes a certain type of process with the secretions of certain synapses or certain hormones, which makes our memory sharp, build the concentration, takes the fast and pure perfect decisions. Accurate things are happened inside the brain. So this is also with the help of sound sleep. Even this thing is very much helpful for the students, those who are studying, those who are looking for their higher studies. So always make sure, when we were child, our parents used to say, like, study every day, but a day before exam, just relax, go and play. So many people ask, अरे भाई एग्जाम के पहले तो सब मेहनत करते, बिफोर द बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, बिफोर अ डे ऑफ बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, वॉट एवर द रिमेनिंग थिंग्स, ट्राई टू लर्न, ट्राई टू bifurcate. Actually, that is wrong. Just day before exam, make sure you are completely relaxed, mentally and physically. Then only the whole neuron cycles will work properly and it will recalls the whole memory of the past, so that whatever you study throughout the year. Easily you can write on the day of exams, because day before the exam you are in the state of complete rest, so there is no damage, even the growth appears. So this is a message for all students. Relaxed before a day of exam, just sit and enjoy the activity that you like. Don't pressure on your mind. Otherwise, whatever the memory inside the brain, it will just get, deleted from the brain. Good and qualitative rest or sleep regenerates. Our body needs an interval gap of regenerations. Every day, some type of damage, tears of tissues, so many things happen inside the body. So, everyday detoxification is there, but regeneration is must, because whatever the damage inside the body, we need to regenerate to make our body healthy, to make our metabolism improved. So when you take enough hours of sound sleep or rest, your body automatically regenerates. It makes new cells inside the body. It makes new things inside the body, which prevents the damage inside the body. It's physical as well as mental necessity to live a healthy life. See, to live a healthy life is not only a physical necessity, it is also for the mental necessity also. Because we all know, like if we are physically and mentally fit, then only the definition of healthy according to the science is completed. Because if you see the definition of health, it is always mentioned physically, mentally and emotionally fit. So when you have enough sound sleep, all these benefits automatically created inside the body, and it helps you to stay fit. If you're working, if you're a housewife, if you are a student or in any profession, concentration, sharpness, ability to learn, ability to debate, creativity, proper decisions is required. So this all is only with the help of proper rest time or the enough sleeping pattern. Nowadays, in today's life, because of the social media, so many people are not able to get enough sleep. That is one of the major reason of increasing anxiety and impatience in today's generation, because it is scientifically proved before going to bed, at least 30 minutes before going to bed, leave all gadgets, because mobile, laptops or any type of gadgets, they through certain type of rays which indirectly or directly affect on your brain, which makes you aggravated rather than sound. If we are near to bed going for the sleep, we need soundness, relaxation. At that time we don't need any type of aggravation. So this rays aggravates, disturbs the cycle of neurons and neurotransmitters. So make sure digital and social media is really good, but always everything must be in limitations. That is the reason like young generations becomes day by day hyper. So this hyperness again affects on your health. And to find out the hyperness, there is no machine, there is no scanner. If you are suffering from diabetes, blood test is there. If you are suffering from any type of damage inside the body, scanner, ultrasound sonography, MRI is there. But if you are disturbed with the mental status, there is no scanner. Make sure, try to control your hyperness, and this will automatically done with the help of proper enough sound sleep and of course the scheduled sleep. आज रात को 12 बजे सोए, 6 बजे उठ गए, कल 10 बजे सोए, फिर 8 बजे उठे, नो, दैट इज रॉन्ग. Our body is like a natural thing. Try to make it in a rhythm, system, then only you'll get the benefit.